Morning dear students. In this class we learn about second lesson of social on the trial of the earliest people. It means we are going to learn about earliest people, early human beings, the evolve and the establishment of human beings on the universe. Okay, modern humans probably evolved between 1,50,000 and 2 lakh years ago. Many scientists believe that they first evolved in Africa and then spreads elsewhere. Okay, the body structure of early humans get changed by time. The brain become larger and the jaws and teeth became smaller. Why? Then they began learn to walk on their feet, and then they learned how to use tools and weapons. Then the life of early human beings was they are hunter-gatherers. They gathered fruits, nuts and roots for the food purpose, and they lived in a cave and treetops, and then where the animal lived. Okay, usually they did not build houses. Okay, they did not build houses. They lived in caves and treetops. Okay, so from the earliest time till about 12,000 BC, from the earliest time up to 12,000 BC, the early humans were used stone for their weapons. So this time period is known as Stone Age. The Stone Age is further divided into 4 phases: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age, and Chalcolithic Age. Okay, let's learn one by one. Before going to phases, first we will know sites. For the evidences of early human beings were found in the earth, many places. Generally, they lived and where they lived and they used tools and weapons. Okay, the sites are factory sites. They are known as factory sites, and habitation come factory sites in evidences. Okay, and let's learn the Paleolithic Age. First age, Paleolithic Age. This age starts from 5 lakh BC to up to 10,000 BC. The extends from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. In this period, Paleolithic Age. Paleo means old. Paleo means old. Paleo means old. Okay. Paleos means old, and then lithos. Paleos means old, and lithos means stone. Paleos means old and lithos means stone. Old Stone Age is known as Old Stone Age. The age extends from 5 lakh BC, it means before Christ, to 10,000 BC. In this period, the early humans used tools core and flake. These two weapons are used by early human beings. Core is an oval shaped weapon. It is used for digging edible roots and then cutting trees. And then flake is a sharp edged tool. It is used for skinning a hunted animal. And then studies show that in this time the human beings are hunter-gatherers. Okay, hunter-gatherers. They did not build houses. They lived in caves and treetops. Then, in this period, the nature is friendly. Nature is friendly with human beings. The human beings are totally depending on nature. Okay. So then another one, fire. One of the greatest discoveries of early human beings is fire. It will never be known how it happened. But early human discovered fire, and later on they learned how to use fire for the purposes like to scare the wild animals and cooking purpose. Okay, the fire is one of the greatest invention by early human beings. So let's move to Mesolithic Age. Mesos means it's a The word arrived from Greek word. It's a Greek word. Mesos means middle. Lithos, as usually you are known, stone. Middle, stone, age. Mesos means middle. Lithos means stone. So in this age extended from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. 10,000 before Christ to 8,000 before Christ. Mesos means middle. Lithos means stone. In this time period, early humans are here also hunting gatherers. But in this time period, the humans learn to produce more advanced weapons. Means more advanced weapons. The development is going on. Here also, the hunting gatherers, they start fishing, and then one of the development is nothing but domesticating animals. They started domesticating animals like dog, sheep, goat, they start domesticating the animals. And then in this period, the human beings learn how to produce more advanced weapons. It means sharp-edged weapons like arrowheads and spearheads. The arrowheads and spearheads, the sharp-edged weapons are known as micro-bits. Okay, micro-bits. Here in this period, the human beings learn how to produce a more advanced weapon, and then hunting gatherers here start fishing and domesticating the animals. So next, move to third phase, Neolithic age. Neolithic age. Word itself says neo means new, but neo means new. Neo means new. Lithos means stone. New stone age. New stone age. The period extends from 8,000 BC to 4,000 BC. 8,000 before Christ to 4,000 BC. In this time period, the humans learn how to produce a more advanced. It means comparing to Mesolithic age, Neolithic age is more advanced. Okay, here the human beings learn to produce hand axe. Axe is a weapon. It's a very sharp edged. Okay, the human learn how to sharp their edges. Okay, how to sharp their edges and produce more sharp edged tools. Okay, so hand axe used to tilling the soil. Here you can understand that the people start farming. Farming, it means cultivate the soil, and they start farming. And then domestication also. Domestication means domesticating animals and animal husbandry. Cat, sheep, dog, this type of, but domesticating also started. Then farming also started. Then they began to settle down in one period. Okay, they started to settle down one place, and then they started farming. Then we will move to the last one, Chalcolithic age. Which one? Chalcolithic age. Chalcolithic age is the chalcos. It means here chalcos means copper. Copper here is one of the type of metal. Then lithos means stone. Copper stone age. It's known as copper stone age. The period extended from 4,000 BC to 2,000 BC. Means 4,000 before Christ to 2,000 BC. So here it is the new modern age. Implements are made of both stone and copper. They learned how to use metals. Okay, they learned how to use metals, and they learned how to sharp their edges. It means weapon edges. Okay, here they started plough, wheeled cart, sailboat. They invented plough, wheeled cart and sailboat, and they learned how to mix the metals and produce better weapons. Okay, metals na mix ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವೆಪನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು here Chalcolithic age. Okay, these are all the 4 phases of early human beings. Okay, dear students, In this class, we have learned about the life of early human beings, earliest people. Okay, in this class, we have learned about the life of early human beings and the four stone ages. One is Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age, and Chalcolithic age. This is about in this lesson. Okay. In the next class, we will learn about the third lesson. Okay. Thank you.